Hey, this is Raul from Tutor Ming, and today we're taking a mini break from Chinese New Year, and we'll be talking about Valentine's Day in Chinese. Now, we'll also be talking about a few ways in which you can be romantic in Chinese. So of course, we need to start by saying, how do you say Valentine's Day in Chinese? 情人节, where 情人 means sweetheart or lover, and 节 is festival. 情人节, and therefore Happy Valentine's Day in Chinese is 情人节快乐. One more time, 情人节快乐. Despite the fact that Chinese people have their own Valentine's Day around August, they'll still celebrate February 14 Valentine's Day, especially in the bigger cities. And they'll give presents to their lovers on that day, and one of the most typical gifts to give is 花, a flower. And in many cases, 玫瑰, roses are the popular choice. Whatever kind of flower you decide to give, just make sure it's not a yellow flower, because those are used for funerals, and it would probably signify that you want to break up. Now, of course, you can also give 巧克力, chocolate, or maybe you'd like to spend a little more and give a 项链, a necklace. Now, there's a couple of gifts that definitely shouldn't be given, especially not during Valentine's Day. The first one is 雨伞, an umbrella, since 伞 sounds very similar to a word for breaking up, 散. Also, 鞋子, shoes shouldn't be given because since shoes are made for walking or running, it implies your lover will run away from you. Fun fact, if for whatever reason you actually do end up giving shoes as a gift, as long as your lover gives you 1 yuan back, it's like the curse is broken. It means they won't be running away. And of course, what are some typical phrases to say to your lover in Chinese? It all depends on how corny you want to be. And by the way, corny in Chinese is 肉麻. So let's go through a couple of phrases that people say in Chinese. The typical 我爱你, 我爱你, I love you. And if you want it to be a bit more corny, just add a baby to it and say 宝贝我爱你. 宝贝我爱你. Baby, I love you. And if you don't want it to be that corny, but still you want to be able to declare your eternal love to that special person, you can say 爱你一万年. 爱你一万年. Love you 1,000 years, meaning love you forever. So let me know which one of these phrases you'd like to use with that special person. In fact, I encourage you to go practice them right now. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the Tutor Ming channel and sign up for an actual Chinese class at tutorming.com. Happy Valentine's Day! 情人节快乐!